Good morning, ma'am. Mabuhay. I am Marianela Mainit Avenido from BSHM 1A, and this will be my performance task for the finals, called the direct and indirect components of network of the tourism and hospitality industry networks. So to start, beneath the surface of the hospitality and tourism industry is a multifaceted ecosystem composed of direct and indirect components, each contributing in shaping a traveler's experience. First, we'll be diving into the five direct components. First, we have the accommodation. This receives and accommodates travelers and visitors for a safe lodging within the location they are currently staying in, while also providing other amenities. This includes a wide range of lodging options from hotels to resorts to bed and breakfast and vacation rentals. Second is the food and beverages. This provides sustenance and entertainment to tourists, which can vary from casual to high-class quality food and beverages. This encompasses restaurants, cafes, bars, and catering services. The third direct component that we'll be discussing today is the transportation. The transportation facilitates the movement of tourists to and within destinations. Transportation covers various modes of transportations, including the airlines, railways, buses, taxis, and car rentals. Fourth is the attractions. The attractions attracts and draws tourists with the goal of viewing sceneries and learning historical sites. The attractions can include historical sites, museum, theme parks, and natural wonders that draws tourists. So these attractions can be either man-made or natural. First, but not the least direct component, is the travel agencies. The travel agencies arranges travel itineraries, including accommodations, transportation, and activities for tourists. The travel agencies will help tourists in finding their traveling accommodations. Next up is the indirect components. The five indirect components, which includes the infrastructures, financial services, education and training, the government and regulations, and lastly but not the least is the technology. So first to discuss is the infrastructures. The infrastructures is essential for attracting tourists and facilitating their movement within a destination. This could refer to physical infrastructure such as roads, airports, and utilities that supports the tourism industry. Second is the financial services. This provides financial services to tourists, enabling them to pay for accommodations, foods, and activities. Examples of these are banks, credit card companies, and insurance providers. Third is the education and training. This encompasses educational institutions that provide trainings and certifications for hospitality professionals, for example. The education and training can help not only students but also the industry as a whole. The fourth indirect component is the government and regulations. The government regulations regulates the tourism industry such as immigration, customs, and tourism boards. This could include the government agencies such as immigration. Oh my God. Okay, that was repeated. So to carry on is the technology, last but not the least, of course. Technology is used to streamline operations and improve customer service, and as well as enhance the overall tourist experience. Some examples of these could include the technology solutions such as the online booking systems, mobile apps, and social media marketings. So that would be all for my presentation today. Mabuhay!